Welcome to this video on the importance of certifications in maintaining standards. After watching this video, you will be able to list product owner certifications for Agile and Scrum and explain how these certifications can help maintain Agile and Scrum standards. Agile and Scrum certifications play a very important role in helping program and project managers achieve industry benchmarks and standards. Dozens of organizations offer Agile and Scrum certifications for specific roles, such as Scrum Master and Product Owner. Certifications ensure that Agile and Scrum practitioners understand and apply standardized frameworks in their professional work environment. The certifications also promote a common language among team members, encouraging them to collaborate more to achieve business goals. The following table shows a list of 4 most globally recognized product owner certifications for professional skills development. Each certification has its own features. For instance, PSPO has a strong emphasis on Scrum principles and value-driven product management, but CSPO focuses on stakeholder collaboration and product backlog management. In the following table, we see 4 more product owner certifications for professional skills development. Some organizations require you to have a specific certification to be a product owner. Others require any recognized certification, and some don't require any certification. Certifications ensure all product owners have a common understanding of Agile and Scrum principles, standards, tenets, and practices. This provides a foundation for the individual to handle their role on the Scrum team effectively, efficiently, and consistently. Certifications also ensure the Scrum team provides maximum value to the organization. Obtaining a product owner certification benefits organizations in several ways, such as maintaining standards, developing deeper knowledge, facilitating continuous improvement, gaining credibility and trust, instantiating quality assurance, improving alignment with organizational goals, and enabling effective communication and collaboration. Individuals can also benefit from product owner certification in several ways, such as validating skills and knowledge, advancing career, boosting confidence, connecting with other Agile professionals, promoting lifelong learning. While product owner certifications offer many benefits, they also come with some drawbacks for organizations. Product owner certifications increase the cost of employee training, provide a false sense of security. Just because one is certified does not guarantee they will be good employees or product owners. Stifle innovation. Inexperienced certified employees may stick to an overly rigid adherence to rules and be less adaptable. Lead to resentment of uncertified employees. For individuals, product owner certifications also have drawbacks. Product owner certifications are expensive to acquire if the certification cost is not reimbursed, takes professional time, lacks relevance. Some certifications overly emphasize theoretical knowledge over practical skills or experience, overlook real-world experience. In this video, we looked at the most globally recognized certifications available for the Agile product owner role. We also discussed how certifications help organizations and individuals implement Agile and Scrum standards. Obtaining a product owner certification benefits organizations as well as individuals. Product owner certification helps organizations maintain standards, develop deeper knowledge, gain credibility and trust, and facilitate continuous improvement. It helps individuals validate their skills and knowledge, advance their careers, and boost their confidence. Product owner certifications are expensive to acquire and require serious commitment. Some organizations and individuals may find that the certification is not relevant for them because it overemphasizes theoretical knowledge over practical skills or experience.